Assalamu alaikum. This is the fourth lecture of Discrete Homotopy Theory. So in previous video, we defined the path, definition of path, and infinite path or finite path. Finite path, let's recall what is finite path. Finite path is a map from in to x such that if we substitute 0, we will get x, and if we substitute gamma of n, sorry, the last number of this, so we will get x prime of. And if we discuss about infinite path, so gamma of I, if we substitute gamma of I, we will get x for all. If we this condition hold for if for all I less than equal to n minus, and if we substitute I, we will get x prime for all I greater than equal to n plus. Okay. So let's discuss about the inverse path of gamma. Okay. So what is the definition of inverse path of gamma, or reverse? We can say reverse path of gamma. So let's say x be a graph and x comma x prime be the vertices of this graph, any vertices of this graph. So given a path gamma, I defined in previous video from x to x prime of n length, means finite length, and belongs to infinite natural number. It's reverse path. So how can we define reverse path? Reverse path from x prime to x defined a map. What type of map? This is the map gamma prime or gamma bar from in to x is given by this equation. So what type of equation, and how can we expand this equation? If we substitute in from 0, if we substitute 0, so we will get according to this equation gamma of n minus 0 in the place of 0. So we will get gamma of n. According to the definition of gamma n, we will get the last point. So this is the last point at this path, but in this path gamma prime, for gamma prime, this is the initial point. Okay, and if we substitute gamma n, so we will get n minus n, so we will get x according to the definition of gamma. So in short, the last point is x. So conclusion is this. So gamma bar is the path from x prime to x, and this is the reverse path of gamma. Why the reverse path of gamma? Because the definition of gamma from x to x prime. If we substitute gamma of 0, we will get x. Okay, according to the map, if we substitute this 0, we will get x. If we substitute n, we will get x prime. Okay, so this type of, maybe this type of path. Okay, in x. So gamma bar, what type of gamma bar path? I and to x. If we substitute in gamma prime, a gamma bar if we substitute 0 in this gamma bar, we will get this point. This is the final point for this path, but this is the initial point for this path. Okay, if we substitute n, in gamma bar, we will get x. So that's why this is the reverse path of gamma. Okay, so we will discuss next topics in next video, inshallah. Allah Hafiz. Please subscribe, share, and comment.